The moon, our constant companion in the vast cosmos. For centuries, it has been a beacon of curiosity, inspiring poets, scientists, and dreamers alike. But what if I told you that something extraordinary, something mind-bending, has just been discovered on its surface? A massive, mysterious object, unlike anything we've ever seen before, has emerged, throwing the scientific community and the world into a frenzy. Is this object natural, or does it hide secrets that could rewrite the history of our solar system? Could it be evidence of ancient extraterrestrial activity, or is it something even more profound, something we've never dared to imagine? Stay tuned as we dive deep into this lunar enigma that has everyone questioning what we really know about our closest celestial neighbor. It all began innocently enough, a group of amateur astronomers gazing at the moon through their telescopes. What they saw wasn't just another crater or shadow. At first glance, it appeared to be an ordinary anomaly, a trick of light, perhaps. But as they observed further, a clear pattern emerged. This wasn't just a rock formation or random surface feature. What they found was a structure, large, rectangular, and eerily geometric. Its straight lines and sharp angles stood out starkly against the moon's rugged, uneven terrain. News spread like wildfire, captivating both professionals and hobbyists. The question wasn't just about what this object was, but how such a massive feature had gone unnoticed for so long. To understand the gravity of this discovery, we must first understand the moon itself. It's not just a lifeless rock orbiting Earth. The moon is a dynamic, ever-changing body that has shaped life on Earth in ways we are only beginning to understand. For example, the moon stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, creating seasons and regulating tides. Without it, life as we know it might not exist. It has been the silent witness to Earth's history, an untouched archive of the early solar system. But what if it holds secrets that go beyond its natural role, secrets that point to something more deliberate, more intelligent? The object itself is massive, stretching miles across and rising sharply above the lunar surface. Its rectangular shape, smooth surfaces, and almost perfect angles make it look anything but natural. Theories began to swirl almost immediately. What's undeniable is its stark difference from anything else we've seen on the moon. Natural formations, no matter how unusual, tend to lack such precision. So, what could this be? One of the most compelling theories revolves around extraterrestrial involvement. The object's geometry and size have led some to speculate that it might be an ancient alien artifact, a sort of calling card left by an advanced civilization. These theories aren't new. For decades, conspiracy theorists have whispered about secret alien bases on the moon, especially on its far side, hidden from Earth's view. Could this discovery be the smoking gun they've been waiting for? Proponents of the alien theory point to historical anomalies, such as the lunar transient phenomena, mysterious lights and flashes observed on the moon for centuries. Could these be linked to this newly discovered object? Not everyone is convinced by the alien hypothesis. Skeptics argue that natural geological processes can sometimes produce shapes that appear artificial. Take, for example, the Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland, with its striking hexagonal basalt columns. Devil's Tower in Wyoming, a natural formation so precise it inspired alien theories in Hollywood. Could this lunar object be something similar, a natural feature exaggerated by shadows and perspective? Scientists have also pointed to the moon's history of intense volcanic activity and meteor impacts. These violent processes could, in theory, create unusual formations. However, even the most skeptical experts agree, this object demands closer investigation. Since the discovery, international space agencies, including NASA and ESA, have scrambled to gather more data. Using advanced imaging technologies, they've started analyzing the object's surface composition, density, and thermal properties. Early findings are inconclusive but intriguing. The object's material doesn't match typical lunar rocks. Its temperature fluctuations suggest internal structures or cavities. These anomalies have sparked debates among scientists. Could the object be hollow, like a long-debunked theory suggesting the moon itself is an artificial structure? If this object turns out to be more than a natural formation, the implications are staggering. Discovering alien technology or evidence of advanced ancient civilizations would be humanity's greatest revelation. It could change how we see ourselves in the universe, forcing us to confront questions about our place in the cosmos. But what if this discovery poses a threat? There are whispers that the object might harbor something dangerous, something that could jeopardize life on Earth. These fears have led to wild speculations, including the possibility that the moon might need to be neutralized to protect humanity. Regardless of the object's origin, one thing is clear: this discovery has reignited interest in lunar exploration. Plans for new missions to the moon are already underway. Space agencies are racing to deploy rovers, landers, and even humans to study this object up close. Could this discovery mark the beginning of a new space age, one driven not just by curiosity but by the urgent need to uncover the truth? The moon has always been a symbol of mystery and wonder. This new discovery reminds us that even in our closest celestial neighbor, there are secrets waiting to be uncovered. Whether this object is a natural wonder, an alien artifact, or something entirely unexpected, it challenges us to look beyond the familiar and ask bigger questions about the universe and our place within it. As we continue to investigate, one thing is certain: the moon isn't just a barren wasteland, it's a treasure trove of mysteries waiting to be unlocked. And perhaps, it holds the key to humanity's next great leap. Add animations of the object rising from shadows, recreating alien theories, and simulating exploration. Pose direct questions to viewers to keep them engaged. What do you think this object could be? Do you believe in alien life, or is this just another natural phenomenon? Use suspenseful scores to build tension and awe. Would you like additional tips on video pacing, narration tone, or visual